Welcome to Baybeck's Equipment Care Series. In this video, we'll take a look at what's in your PCR equipment kit and how to clean, store, and troubleshoot issues that may come up with the equipment. First, let's make sure that the kit is complete. There should be 2 or 3 large plastic bins depending on which kit you get, with these inventory checklist cards attached to the front. Use the checklist to verify all items are present. In bin 1, you will find 1 thermocycler and power cord, 3 96 well insert, 3 storage racks. In bin 2, you will find 1 dry heat bath, 1 dry heat block, 1 thermometer, 1 centrifuge and power cord, 20 microtube racks, 20 PCR tube racks, 40 micropestals, 40 cap locks, 10 tweezers. 1 week ahead of the lab, take some time to check 3 key pieces of equipment. Make sure that the thermocycler settings are programmed with the thermocycling parameters of Baybeck PCR labs. Check that the heat block reaches the correct temperature. Note these are dry heat baths. You do not need to put water in the wells. Make sure the centrifuge turns on and runs. All your Baybeck equipment should arrive clean and ready to go. Our teachers play a big role in making sure items are kept in good working condition so that we can keep sharing them. You may refer to this section after a class section has been completed or when you're getting ready to store and/or return the kits. Make sure all items are cooled off before handling. Wash and dry the beakers, tweezers, and micropestals. Wipe down everything else that was used and make sure that they are clean and dry before storage. Make sure each item is accounted for using the equipment checklist. When packing equipment back into the bin for storage, all items should be clean and completely dry. The centrifuge and heat block should fit in one layer on the bottom of the bin before packing the other items. This ensures the next teacher receives a complete and ready-to-go kit just like you did. There are some common issues when working with the PCR equipment. If the centrifuge is making a lot of noise, turn off the machine, open the centrifuge, make sure the cover is securely on and that the tubes are balanced. If the lid on the thermocycler is difficult to close, do not force it. Double check to make sure the notched corner of the 96 well insert is aligned properly with the notched corner of the thermocycler heat block. It is normal to have some resistance when you lower the arm down, but forcing the arm will cause damage. If you are unable to slide the thermocycler's carriage forward, make sure the notched corner of the insert is aligned properly with the notched corner of the thermocycler heat block. Thanks for watching our equipment care video for the PCR equipment kit. We hope you and your students enjoy the lab. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us at baybeck@baybeck.org.